Hey guys, what's up? If you want to delete your Instagram account forever, this is the video you should watch, because we're going to show you exactly how it gets done as fast as possible. Okay, let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram profile. Click your profile icon at the right down corner, over here. Then, click on the hamburger menu, here. Now, go to Settings. And from the Settings page, go to Help. And from Help, select Help Center, which is here. Then, click here, on Menu. And pick Manage Your Account. Then click on Delete Your Account option. Now, here you're gonna confused, but just follow me to get right step. Here's 3 sub-menus, and instead of clicking second sub-menu, you should click on here, temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Second option here. It is just an idea of Instagram to make users confused and make them stay over their apps again and again. It's just a trick. Okay. Click here, on the first sub-menu. And scroll down to the bottom until you see this. Delete your Instagram account. Click here. And then, here in the Android app help, click once. It will open this many options. Just choose the fourth one. Mobile browser help. Again, scroll down below until you see delete your account and click over there. And it will redirect you to this page. Here, it will ask you your reasons for deleting account. Just choose one and scroll down. Input your password here and click here. Then, it will send you a pop-up message again to ask to delete. Just click yes, and it will automatically delete your Instagram account permanently from now. Once you finish that, Instagram will immediately deactivate your online presence, and it will take Instagram around 30 days to complete your account deletion process. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a like if you liked the video, subscribe and share.